She doesn't know where her luggage is and now she's waiting over there. How fun. Note to self, everyone put noticeable tags on your bag, like so. Like so. Holy crap. Okay. Oh my god.
Shoe got lost in there.
Oh, you got. Oh, I was reunited.
You're like an old man, you know, like a.
Welcome back to Cosmictea. My name is Tracy.
My name is Alice.
This summer, exciting things are gonna happen. All right, we're trying to expand our horizons, right? Branch out beyond the world of food, as much as we love it.
Branch out. Oh fuck.
As you can tell by the title, we're heading to a different state. California. And yes, if you're wondering, that means California food adventures. We have a whole itinerary planned out. Each day is gonna have exciting shit, so I recommend you tune into all these vlogs. I'm gonna try to put these out daily, but I honestly don't know how long it's gonna take me to edit each one of them. If you're not into vlogs, or you don't wanna see us enjoy California, you can just tune into the California food adventures and avoid these, but I recommend you watch all of these vlogs because we're gonna be doing fun shit every single day. And it's gonna include like secret food places that are not gonna be in the food adventures. So if you wanna like really get a good taste of California, you gotta stay tuned for all of these. The next time you see us, we're gonna be in a different state, y'all. I feel like I'm a baby bird leaving a mother's nest for the first time.
That ass, I never lived on my own before.
Me neither. We're living in an Airbnb together without any parental supervision. Wow.
Yeah, like even though I'm in college now, I don't dorm on campus. So I just been living at home. My mom does my laundry. She cooks for me. I'm about to starve, y'all. Oh my god. We're gonna go broke because we can't cook, so we gotta go out for every meal. Oh my god. We're gonna die. We're gonna die out there.
I felt like actually throwing up when I came here because I was that nervous. I'm just very scared. What if we get...
She's a very anxious person. She worries a lot. And then you have me who doesn't give a fuck.
I'm afraid I'm gonna lose my luggage. What if I lose my luggage?
Oh my god, calm your shit, Tracy. They've been doing this for years. They got it.
Okay, I'm gonna start hyperventilating, so just turn the camera away. We'll see you in California.
Friday night, there's nothing to remind me, but you're on my mind. And I can't shake the fact that every conversation just wanna bring up your name, stake my claim. With every drink, I feel the alcohol burning in my veins. And suddenly I hear myself say your name. I can't escape the fact that it's in my brain. Why do I wanna tell everyone about us? Why do I want you so much? Why is it you over anyone? Why am I craving your touch? What if I'm not meant to? If I'm not meant to get over you? My heart's screaming, begging for mercy, mercy. And I keep throwing shit at it piece by piece. Doesn't help the fact that you're such a tease. Please, you know
Well, would you look at that? A serendipitous, joyous moment shared by us and a complete stranger. But little did we know that this is the part where it all goes downhill. Hi guys, it's me, Tracy from the future, editing this video and now realizing what a shitty job we did at explaining the situation in the moment. I've decided that it would probably be better to just re-summarize what went down for you guys right now over some shitty stock footage. So our dear friend Jessica here, who also happened to be on this trip with us, is a normal person who, unlike me, isn't chronically anxious about having the worst of luck at all times, and so did not think it would be necessary to put any sort of unique tag on her luggage. This at first seemed like a completely fine decision until this random man in a hurry up and runs with her luggage like so. Turns out this man's bag was nearly identical to Jessica's generic black cloth luggage and also did not have any sort of tag on it either. What a coincidence. It's almost as if they're related. Like father, like daughter, some might say. Luckily, we were able to locate his generic black luggage and notified the airport customer service, who was able to contact the man and ask him to return. And now, back to your regularly scheduled program. She doesn't know where her luggage is and now she's waiting over there. How fun. Wait, you can't see her. Why am I actually blind? So update, they called the dude and he's coming back. Wait, where's my phone? Right there. Oh, I got scared. Okay. In the meantime, let me just show you something cool about my bag. You can put a portable battery in here. Wild. Yeah, it's fully charged.
I'm really sorry. Okay, thank you. Nice bag.
Yay!
Alright, so we got our bag. Time to go to our Airbnb. After we ordered an Uber.
Oh,
Alice.
I downloaded.
Wee.
Problems. Can't unlock the door.
Yo! This is just a special high-tech lock so intruders can't figure out how to come in, okay?
It took 3 people to open one door.
That's how you know it's like really intruder-proof. A table.
Wow.
A Buddha. Pray to our Lord. A painting of compasses in case you get lost. A mirror to observe. Beauty. Oh shit, there's stuff in here. What? There's candles. Oh my god.
Is this the remote for the? Oh my god.
What is that?
Oh gosh. I'll just put that back.
The kitchen.
Oh, that's actually a pretty nice kitchen. Who's supposed to sit here? Wait. I don't get it.
Oh, okay, there's a kettle. But is it a clean kettle?
I don't know. We can wash it, right? There's no soap and there's no.
Alright. At least there's condiments. No condoms, but condiments.
I don't trust this.
Glasses, we can have our 5 o'clock wine.
Oh, is this a wine opener?
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
I don't know how to.
Is this a closet? Oh, bathroom. Oh, this is the bedroom. Wait, what is this? The bathroom? Oh, this is the bathroom. Oh, it looks pretty nice in here. Ooh.
Bigger than my bathroom.
Me too. Oh, it's pretty clean, I think, yeah. Hey, what happened to our Asian manners? We're all wearing our sneakers. I grab this to like steady myself and just like went like,
Is there extra toilet paper? Because there's like this much.
Oh, there is. No.
Oh, there's 2 more toilet papers. Alright guys, try not to shit too much.
I can't.
We're eating so much. Are there stains on the bed? Ew, wait, I think there are.
Ew! Look at that.
I mean, this is just, it's not the blankets.
Okay, I guess. But probably a lot of people have had sex in here with us.
This is not like the review. I mean, the pictures.
They're lighting. Yeah, we have. Ew, why does the pillow look so yellow? Do you see the yellowness or is it just me?
Oh my god, I think.
Pee. Oh, there's a giant mirror, so we can do Bloody Mary.
Oh my god, Tracy, don't.
So would you guys rate this place?
2. I just feel like we're so scammed.
Well, it's only it's like $92.
No, but the thing is, the pictures aren't according to like reality. Like
All
it's like too far from reality. Like it's not even the same building.
Where's my phone?
Like I said, every 2 seconds.
Okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. I've almost lost it multiple times, but it's okay now.
I'm hungry.
Food's gonna have to wait. I'm being helpful. I'm supervising.
No, wait, no, that's the cap.
I think it goes right here. Oh, I don't think you keep it in. I think
I mean, it looks not that bad. I'm being optimistic.
Could be worse.
I mean, the reviews were good though. That's a weird thing. Cause we chose it because the reviews were like relatively okay. That's why we.
I mean, this is relatively okay.
Yeah. So then.
Yeah.
No, but they were all like 5 stars, so that's why we chose it.
Probably other people have
Fake.
lower standards than we do.
Maybe. We were too high class, you know.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Okay. Oh my god. Our house is falling apart.
Oh my god, they're gonna charge us money because we broke their fucking.
Oh shit, you're right.
so sorry.
Wait, let's get you a stool.
You just tried to pull it back?
I was trying to close the curtain because I don't want some creepy person.
Oh my god. Wait, I'm too short for this.
I think everything in this house like slanted.
But realistically, we can do Bloody Mary in here. Because if we did.
I'm fucking good. No, Tracy. Stop it when you're done.
No, if we didn't, the ghost wouldn't follow us back on the plane. It would just haunt this house.
All democracy.
It would haunt this house, but not the plane. Yeah, good.
No.
3 against 1. Okay, no.
This is a democratic nation.
I'm surrounded by a bunch of pussy. But it's okay. We'll be doing the last day.
No. You don't know. It might get like trapped in our hair or something.
I know you need your thrill. Just watch a scary movie or something. You know, stop. Jesus Christ.
Y'all, look at this palm tree though. Look at it.
It's so sunny. I can see my chateau.
Have I ever mentioned how much I hate myself?
Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's very soft. It's like rice, but like super fluffy. Can someone tell me what this is?
So after doing some quick research, I found out that this is barley rice. Yup.
You don't like it?
I'm not used to Korean food. I mean, it's not bad, but I can't say I like it. Oh, this hurts my mouth. My throat hurts. Korean food's not for me. Everything's too spicy. Is that the kimchi?
No, that's the green. That's good. It's spicy and sour, which is my favorite combo. This all looks spicy, which is probably why you don't like it, Alice.
Yeah, I can't handle spicy food. It physically hurts me.
This is also pickled. Is it a radish? Pickled radish? But yeah, they were talking about this before, but like Korean places tend to give you like rice and side dishes just that come with your meal, so it's litty lit. So we ordered like main dishes, but this just comes with it. So that's nice.
It's good. I'm glad I tried this. Ow, it hurts.
Hi guys, it's me from the future again. So I think in this moment I was just feeling lazy as a fuck. So I just decided against describing the food because it wasn't even an official food adventure, so I was like, why bother? But now that I'm looking at this footage, I'm getting PTSD from these noodles. This kimchi seafood udon thing. I know it looks promising, but looks can fool, okay? This noodle was just spicy but had no flavor. Like, it was just bland. Like, if anything, it just tasted like clams. And I don't even like clams, so like I just ordered it to torture myself basically. And the clams made it that much more expensive. So at the end I was just trying to stuff it down my throat because it was like $13 worth of food and I ain't letting that shit go to waste. So yeah, I'm salty right now, unlike this dish which tasted like it had no salt in it whatsoever. Okay, yeah, that's all I have to say. But yeah, now we're gonna go grocery shopping because our 5-star Airbnb was lacking so many amenities. This is an accurate name to describe me. Medium trash. Yeah. Oh,
no,
not this
it smells
one.
too much like the fruity. This one?
Okay,
Let me
what's
get
it
one of
called?
that.
Shall we get that?
Yeah, that's good.
So cute.
We really, how much tissue do you think we need?
I don't think we need that. Can we just go to like a fast food restaurant and just grab?
Oh yeah. Should we?
You never know. Like, if you need it, you need it. I don't think we need that much. Yeah, let's
Okay. Lightning McQueen.
go. Is it all?
They're the same.
This is the ultra soft. No, this is cheaper.
And now we won't be thirsty.
That was accidental.
I feel so sorry for those of you who are watching this.
I hate you all. Here. No, you could keep holding that. It's your punishment. Your punishment.
Punishment, get it? Because I made her say a pun and now she hates me as much as I hate myself.
I wanna tell everyone about us, about us. Why is it you over anyone? Why am I craving your touch? What if I'm not meant to? If I'm not meant to?
Okay, so now we're back at the Airbnb. I think that's it for today. It probably wasn't even that eventful. This is probably a boring vlog. But tomorrow will be way more exciting, trust me, okay? See you tomorrow. We're kind of tired as fuck. Hit like, subscribe, comments, turn on bell notifications, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye! Strawberry cheese tea.
Holy shit, this is so good. It's seasoned so well.
Tracy squat.
Oh no, Xiao Hua.
Cook some veggies with this.
Oh my god.